If you need to share documents, images, videos, or other project files with your team, ProofHub makes it easy to upload and organize everything in one place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload files in ProofHub step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your ProofHub account and open the project where you want to upload files. Once you're inside the project, navigate to the Files section. Next, click on the Files area to view existing documents and folders. This is where all project-related files are stored and managed. Now click the Upload Files button. A file selection window will appear, allowing you to choose one or multiple files from your computer. Browse to the location where your files are stored, select the documents you want to upload, and click Open. ProofHub will immediately begin uploading them. To keep your project organized, upload files into the correct folder or create a new folder for different types of documents, designs, or project assets. If needed, rename your files, add descriptions, or include comments so your teammates can quickly understand what each file is for. Once the upload is complete, your team members can access the files directly from the project. Depending on your permissions, they can also download, review, or comment on them. As your projects grow, organize files into folders with clear names and remove outdated versions when they're no longer needed. This makes it much easier for everyone to find the right documents. And that's how to upload files in ProofHub. Keeping your documents organized in one central place makes collaboration faster and helps your team stay productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.